Hi everyone, welcome to week 10 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy flower motif. So to begin with, we are going to make chain stitches and we are going to use only chain, slip stitch and single crochet to this pattern. So first you can make a slip knot. Now adjust with your needle. Now you can make 6 chain stitches. So once you're done with the 6 chain stitches, connect the first chain to the last with a slip stitch. So once you start connecting, now you can make the next row. So next row you can make 2 single crochets in each of the loop. So in the first loop, I'm making 2 single crochets. In the next loop also 2. So basically we have 6 chains and we are making that as a 12 loop now. So we are done making 12 single crochets into the loop. Now again you can make a slip stitch to the first loop. And make 9 chains. So once you are done making 9 chain stitches, you can connect it with a slip stitch to the next loop. Then again you can make 1 slip stitch in the next loop and start making 9 chain stitches. Then you can connect this to the next loop using a slip stitch and begin your next petal with a slip stitch on the next loop. So if you want, you can do this center part in one color and the petal part in another color. I'm going to repeat this procedure on all the loops we have. So we are in the final petal and I'm going to make a slip stitch with the hanging part. And you can cut this off and make a knot with the tail end. So leave as much as yarn you want for hanging and make the center even more clear. This is how it looks like. I hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.